Hello everyone, today I am here at a automotive car event where manufacturers bring down all their new cars for people like us to test drive, and today I will be testing out the new 2021 Dacia Sandero Stepway. So here it is. What do you guys think of the new Dacia Sandero Stepway? Big change from the previous generation. You've now got LED lights as standard on this car, which is great because it's a very, very cheap car. Very small alloy wheels, 16 inches with a black and silver design to it. I'm not really that much of a fan. Oh, this is not good. Disc brakes at the front, drum brakes at the back. Okay, now the price is making more sense. Around the back, it's just standard really. Roof rails on this car. Not too sure why a Dacia needs roof rails, as it's not really that powerful. And what are you going to lug around? It's a hatchback. It's not a estate or, you know, something that has roof rails. Front parking sensors and rear parking sensors, I believe, which is great. This is actually quite a high spec model. Let's have a look at the boot. What's it like in the boot? Okay, it was like the Kia Stonic that I tested out earlier on. Not that much space. Let's go to the inside. Let's check that out. We don't have much. We don't have long with this car, so got to keep it brief. Okay, so what do I think of the interior? You've got this little phone holder thing, which, oh god, it is so cheap. A USB connection right just below that. Let's have a look at the infotainment system. Oh my god, this is as bare bones as you could get. Let's turn the car on. Engine, start-stop button, no keys anymore. Come on, are you gonna work? Let's wait. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yeah, not much in terms of options you could have, but MPG, now we could get that up on this system, well, on the infotainment system, and we are currently averaging, this is journalist miles, so it is going to be pretty harsh. We are currently doing 44 MPG. That's really good. That's really, really good. Manual gearbox does feel good to the touch. We'll test out later on the road. Analog dials with a little screen in the middle, classic, like the Kia Stonic, and orange accents everywhere. These seats are not the best, I'd say, yeah, more on the poor side. Very deep center console, goes down a lot. Also weird door designs, well, door card designs, but you've got this pattern, and it feels like carpet. I wouldn't say that's very good, but oh well. Let me check out the rear seats and then we'll head off for a drive. Okay, the rear seats. Oh my god, there is so much space in here. This is fantastic. There's more space in here than the Kia Stonic. I'm putting this car with that car as rivals, because the Kia Stonic is, I don't know, 3-4 grand more than this car, and this car offers a little bit more. Dacia Sandero Stepway, what a car. Anyway, now let's go for a little drive and see what it's like on the road. Right peeps, now let's go for a drive in the 2021 Dacia Sandero Stepway, and starting it up sounds a little bit clunky for a 3-cylinder engine. Now, how do we put it in reverse? Do we? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, okay. The reversing camera isn't the best. So the Dacia is a very interesting car. It's a lot of money, to be honest. 16 grand. But in terms of car torque, it's not a lot. What's this car like to drive? That's the important question. Very small engine, 3 cylinders, has 90 brake horsepower and not that much torque. Let me double check. I've got the spec sheet right next to me. I'll pop it on the screen as well. 160 Newton meters. Yeah, 1 litre engine. emits 127 grams per kilometre of CO2 and has a top speed of 107. But just driving it initially, I could imagine this car on the motorway wouldn't feel that stable. Now the gears are very, very long as well. It's taken me a while to shift from 5th to 6th. I'm very impressed with all the stalks and buttons in this car. It is high quality. You've got got different modes. So you've got just normal mode and then eco mode. Don't know what. Oh, it makes the car very. Oh, it limits the front. Oh, I don't like that. So you've got 2 modes in this car. Just your general normal mode and then eco mode. Now, putting it into eco mode, it limits your throttle response by a huge amount. So yeah, a bit weird. Let's just take it out of eco mode because I'm not a fan of the eco mode in the Dacia Sandero. That might need fine-tuning. Now the handling, it's not that good, unfortunately. There's a lot of sloshing about. Like, you can feel the back end not wanting to work with the front end, and it doesn't make it a good around corners. But yeah, not a bad car overall. I would have thought it was going to be worse because it's just bare bones and stock as hell. There's not much to this car, but it's okay. It's all right. If I wanted a new car, a reliable new car, just to go around town, to take people, or you know, if you lug around people even, this is a great car. I think the Dacia Sandero is quite underrated. Oh, let's test out one more thing. What's the horn like? Oh, classic Dacia horn. It's not as worse as the Hondas, put it that way. Oh god, I've caught myself in a pickle here. Maneuverability, let's test that out right now, because we're in the middle of god knows what, a massive car park, and yes, it's not that big of a car, which is great. Can you let me? Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm testing the car right now, so appreciate the kindness. Thank you guys for watching. That's the overall video. I have nothing else. I don't have that long with this car, only 35 minutes. So I couldn't do a full review, which I would have loved to have. But anyway, look, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.